28, everyone involved in this 37.
10-4, they're coming up on Industrial Circle right now.
10-4, coming up on Industrial Circle.
Spring 105, they have very confirmed warrants out of Washington.
28 low, he just rammed on my side right now. Passenger side.
10-4, rammed your passenger side.
I'm 1037.
10-4.
I don't know how much TV I am. He's got that trailer behind him. But let Spring don't know if they can get units. He showed no regard for my vehicle. I don't know how bad damage is, but I'm still up.
Per Spring, though, they're only going to block intersections. They're not going to get involved in 37.
10-4. 20 or 43. How do you say we go about this without having the trailer?
We're just going to have to hit the truck. I've had one like this before with a trailer. There's no way you can fit it. Push off 20, I'm getting off the interstate.
We're approaching Gene George on 412. Alright.
43 low, I'll call it. I'm secondary. 28's primary. We're coming up on Gene George. 10-4.
Okay.
45 to 43. Try to box it in if you can. And you just tried to sideswipe 28, trying to do this to me as well.
Clear.
Passing Gene George, speed 70.
Alright.
Copy, Gene George, scene speed 70.
Alrighty.
I'm right here with him. 23, 10-4.
Just try to run me into another car. It looks like we're going northbound on I-49.
Copy, going northbound I-49. 45 long, I'm gonna go south there on 49. I'll try to set up some spike strips. 10-4. Well, my vehicle's disabled, he ran me over the curb. 43, 10-4. I am on the northbound ramp. I'll be secondary here in a minute. 23, 10-4. What's the history of this guy? Do you have weapons or anything? I don't know. He closed from a warrant service. Okay, I'll go ahead and call it. We're northbound coming up on the 73. He's in the left lane. 10-4. Coming up to the 73 in the left lane. Would be used to get in front of him, slow him down. I'm turning around here with wagon wheel. 73, taking 73. Taking 73. Hey, Desmond, go ahead and get in there.
Got 3 Tawny Town units in front of me. Okay, he is going westbound on Elm Springs.
10-4, westbound on Elm Springs.
Southbound on 49 from Elm Springs.
10-4, southbound on I-49 from Elm Springs. Got a history of resisting felony burglary and fraud. Go ahead. Stable. 10-4.
Myself and Benton County are primary. I'm in the center lane, he's in the right lane.
10-4.
Okay, I'm primary.
5 to 23. What are your speeds right now? get next to him and get with that trailer on there?
Negative. He's got a large motor on the back of this trailer.
Yep.
He's trying to block me. I'm trying to go side to side and try to get him to lose control of this trailer.
Yeah, we're trying to block you. I'm coming up on the 73 if you want me to wait, I can box him in with you.
He's not letting me around him.
10-4, what's your 20?
Passing southbound scales.
10-4, passing southbound scales.
I got a unit on the side of me. I'm not able to do what I need to do because he's on the side of me.
10-4.
Yeah, he's not letting me. I'm going to try to get him lose control of this trailer.
10-4.
Passing the 70.
10-4, passing the 70.
Get Benton County to go past me. Maybe we can get in front of him.
Authorities passing scales.
Coming up on the 69. Still speed 78 miles an hour.
10-4, coming up to the 69. 7 won't be getting on from the 64.
Okay, Benton County's on the side of him right now.
10-4, Benton County's on the side of him.
I told Benton County to get up next to you guys so that you can try to box him in.
Tell him to go to the front. Spike strips up here, stand by.
We probably got spike strips there.
Washington County, unsuccessful, I think.
10-4, unsuccessful spike strips.
Benton County's out, he got spiked. I'm still primary.
10-4, Benton County got spiked. The back of the pack, if you want to try to block him in.
Yeah, get them up here if they're going to do it. Just about the time to do it. I think he's probably spiked as well.
Yeah, behind you, Desmond, there.
45 to 40, I'm coming up to 72 now.
Something is blown on there. I don't know what. I got stuff all over my windshield. Okay.
You gonna quit, or do you want to try to block him in?
He's taking the 67A exit.
10-4, taking the 67A.
Okay, 67B. 67B.
Taking the 67B. It caused some damage, but we could get him up against the edge of this concrete at the end of this thing.
He's slowing with about 29 miles an hour.
10-4, slowing down 29 miles per hour.
He's going from right to left. We're about 28 miles an hour.
10-4, 28 miles per hour.
full bright, 26 miles an hour.
Eastbound on Fulbright.
I'm gonna try to go around him.
Trying to box him in. I'm just trying to box him in. Hey, stop. Copy, you guys stop.
Got a phone in his hands. That's why I see a phone. He's trying. What's that? Go ahead and start FD just in case the truck's smoking a lot. See if it's the door open. I'm going to make sure it's on fire. Before we load and cancel, it's just antifreeze.
Where's the gun?
Negative.
Also, it's 10:15. Pull your legs up in front of you. Pull your legs up in front of you.
Push your knees to your chest.
Pull your legs up. There you go. Roll up.
Stand up.
Pull your foot up.
You know who he is?
Yep, stand up.
Because he's got a lot of money on the back.
He's got, oh yeah.
He's just trying to, I don't know if that's why, but I assume, I don't know. That's what, he had a phone in his hand.
Well, he kept on reaching. And
When I was up next to him, he had a phone. I don't know if you saw something, that's just what I saw right
he
there.
kept on reaching, and like when he was opening the door, I was like, he's getting tased.
Did he?
How many cars did y'all lose? Two.
Marshall?
Marshall and
Are they alright?
yeah,
Okay.
they're just cosmetic stuff.
Huh? I didn't. I don't know that.
Tell 5 to unit on scene when you can. No rush. Give me an update on our people. Let me know everybody's okay. And vehicle conditions.
What's Desmond's?
I'll give you 21 right
Desmond?
I don't...
10-4. Spring down. You can answer that.
No, he sweared at me. I just pulled up. His truck was dying, so I just let it go.